ears area. Sometimes what I see is something like this. Guys, slow down on this area. There's lots of points there. You want to touch it carefully. You want to press it carefully. You want to release all the endorphins and all the important points placed in this area. So you basically placing your 2 fingers on the front of the ear and 2 behind the ear, and then you're pressing smoothly. However, you're making little movements like this, and you're doing the same thing on the other side. And here you're actually working with your body weight, moving forwards and backwards together with movements of your fingers. Then, not disconnecting, still connected with the client, you're going around and kind of holding the ears and massaging with your fingertips the whole ear, and you're going back again. And then to make it your face basically more elastic, you're pulling the ears in all different directions. So bottom ear going down, side ear going sides, top ear going up. In this case, you're making the face more elastic, and the tissues will go nicely behind the ears, which we want. We want the tissues work nice and hard for us to relieve all the tensions